Damn Snoopy for some reason. Okay, I wanted to see our time here. How fucking long is it? I'm waiting now, what the fuck? Nick. For some reason it's that long. Okay, I agree, it is kind of an hour wait. But what the fuck, man? Okay, I get it, it's Saturday, but what the fuck? How come they already have Christmas decorations? They haven't even took it off their scary form banner in the front. Oh, this used to be a scare zone at Scary Farm. Gauntlet. This shit was scary. Alright, where is that maze? Is it camp? Oh yeah. Oh, I passed it. Oh shit. Yeah, I already did. Fuck, it was already in the end. It was like the start of Camp Snoopy. Right here it will be all froggy. It will be all foggy during Scary Farm. But obviously it's Scary Farm. And that's why you can never... Wait, is the bridge open? Oh my god, there are people over there! Fuck it. I'm going through it. Fuck it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, get over there. Nah, fuck this shit. Nah, fuck that shit. Man, that shit was scary just getting over here. And I regret coming. I kind of regret coming through there. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot about the new ride over here. This Snoopy's. Okay, hell no. Nope. Man, what the fuck? Why is everything so packed? Maybe it's because I came out on Saturday. And it's like almost 3 o'clock. Never mind, it's already 3 o'clock. Man, how fucking crowded it is on a fucking Saturday. If you're here, you know, a Scary Farm, you would not be on the right over here. I think no, Chilling Chambers is like over. It's like right after. Oh, I'm in Fiesta Village. Oh, this is where we're near Cinema Slasher and Mesmer. And no, I'm not talking about old muses that are leaving. Man, that makes sense. Wrong thing, that's not a maze, that's a right. Man, where is this route? Oh, maze. Oh yeah, it's a boardwalk. Fuck, man, I had to go to the boardwalk. Let's see if they still have that, for the Cinema Slasher. See if they still have that shit. scary. Fuck, that shit's scary. I could probably do this one. Oh, this is right at one. So bad. I did it with my friend Christopher when I went to Scary Farm with him. Man, that shit was fun. Up here. Alright, fuck it, we're getting out of here. Fuck it, we're going. Alright, there's this maze over here. That Scary Farm? Oh, during Scary Farm? It's not that far. I'm gonna go check it out. See if they still have the person with the. So they still have that prop.
I remember.
Yeah, but here you would probably get a little scared. Where's the scare zone right here? There ain't scared ones. I'm here for one fucking thing. If they still no, they got rid of it. What the fuck? No, they got rid of it. No. Why? Why'd they get rid of it? Well, at least you still have that right there. Alright. See if they still have Mesmer. But obviously they have to get rid of it for Mary Farm. Well, what the fuck? That prop was cool. Well, I guess I can wait until until it comes back. Like in August. Or whatever. Oh, wait, Mesmer's by the restrooms.
Oh, so the high school.
I never done that maze. But it's not like I want to do it so badly. I wanted to do it. I couldn't. Yeah, right here you would. Right here is like the end of the scare zone right here. Nope. They got rid of it. Nope. Nope. Bullshit. This is bullshit. They're getting rid of the good shit. We're replacing it with Christmas. Oh, wait, I found the right I want to do. Like Christmas. Oh my god. Oh, they have good. Oh, they have a Dodger movie. Oh, that's good. Oh, the one that. At least making me a little bit happy from the goddamn Dodgers. See how long this Friday is. Post Friday. Hell no. Right here you will be getting scared by the goddamn clowns, and this would be red. Alright, well, I'm gonna do it right. First of all, I want to see how long the hang time is. I'm not doing it. But I'm just curious how. What the fuck? What the fuck? 5 minutes. Yeah, by here you will be in a crowd with people getting scared by clowns, but that's all.